Exploring South Africa until it's ugly. Is there a country inside South Africa? Lesotho? Okay, this house is insane. Not ugly. Cape Town. I hear Cape Town is beautiful. Not ugly. I need to see another view of something. Wow. It is beautiful. Not ugly. Pretoria. Oh, we have a view. Oh, this is a nice walkway. Not ugly. Kruger National Park. Let's check it out. Oh, that tree is insane. Not ugly. Moo Bar. Kinda looks lit, actually. Not ugly. This is nice. Is this someone's backyard? Not ugly. Ooh. Not ugly. Johannesburg? Ugly.